I'm Serena Korda and I'm an artist. I run my own studio. It's in my garage, and obviously I work alone most of the time, but there's a lot of dust, and in particular with clay. The clay that I work with isn't dug from from a field. It's man-made. It has silica in it, and silica kind of just will sit in your lungs and do lots of nasty things. This space has only got 2 windows in it, and the other space I use has no windows. So I was looking for some kind of extraction that I could use that wasn't going to involve a huge amount of expense of me setting up a real extraction system that would sort of have pipes everywhere, and something that I can move between different spaces. And I was just doing a Google search, sort of looking for this, and found Dust Arrest, and found that they had this dust blocker and also a weld fume extractor, which I was sort of interested in, more for the vapours and the inorganic kind of gaseous things that I'm sort of working with that I don't really want to breathe in. So it's a very kind of compact machine that I can have in quite a small space in my studio, because there isn't much space in there. It's sort of almost like, it's maybe a bit bigger than a computer tower, and then it has a pipe that comes out of it that moves really nicely and kind of holds its position, and it has a hood on it as well, because I kind of knew I needed some kind of hood on the thing to sort of give me a bit more space to work in. You need to have the extractor quite close to the work, but it kind of gives you that security that it's there and it's sucking out the fumes. I'll always work with a mask, and none of these machines I think promise to save you from working with a mask, but they definitely have created less neurosis around being involved with these substances. You know, these machines, for what they are, they're not enormously expensive, but obviously for someone on a budget like myself, as a self-employed person, it was an investment, but it was an investment in my health, so I didn't mind. With this sort of machinery I feel around me, I feel protected, and I feel like I can work more easily.